Alright, so we need to do current mission, grab that right here. And so if this is valid, we'll go over there. Initialize match. So if it's a UI level, set UI. Otherwise, if the current mission, set to pre-mission. Pre-mission is going to need to reset the mission data, which will set our current stage and all that sort of stuff. Excellent, excellent. So this level is going to override the mission, but the UI level won't. So what we can actually do is clear current mission. What we need to do is when we call set UI, clear mission? No, I think it's somewhere else. Where do we want to clear a mission? I guess it's end current mission, set pre-mission. No, we still have the current mission. Let me see, what do we have for the game utils? It's like... yeah, like start solo level. What do we got? Clear current mission. Same thing with join server. It's definitely gonna clear the current mission. Start solo level. Yes, that'll clear everything. Start server travel. It's not going to clear anything. Shouldn't need to, because this is going to be called from within the game instant. Yeah, okay, so we're fine for this. So I think we're almost there where we can actually do our mission. Alright. Yeah, the Maelstrom guys are talking about maybe some CPU, not CPU, but a network utilization stuff that might be causing some concern. It's like, well, boot up Task Manager when you're connected to it and see how much data you're sending. Some of the metrics and graphs that we get from stuff like game lift, really, it's not always, you're not sure what you're looking at because they don't tell you the damned units on something. It's just like somebody threw a number on a graph and you think it's megabytes per second or bytes per second, but you're not sure. You're like, is that bits or bytes? It's a capital B, but how do we know? Because, there's no lowercase letters on the graph. Maybe it's always capital because, yeah. Why? I don't know. Is that stealth ball? Man. Stealth ball. Server set to pre-stage. Mission set to loading stage. Resetting stage data. Server set to pre-stage. Start mission. Start mission called. Mission set to loading stage. Server set to pre-stage. I did not actually load into the level. Server set loading stage. Mission set to loading stage. Alright, level updates. Updates, loading stage. Load mission for stage. Okay, so it didn't load into the next level because we're already in the level, so that's fine. The issue is when we call set, we have start current mission. This guy is Start current mission called. Current mission is mission 1. And we're going to set pre-mission cutscene or set loading mission. Start current mission. Should reset our mission, shouldn't it? Alright, that should do that properly then. Let's throw a warn here. The mission that is selected has no stage, no stages. Oh man, sudden death. We gotta get the points for this. Nice. Alright, single player, start mission. Start mission called. Loading level for stage DL Sunny Day, starting to leave map, and seamless travel. Process server travel. Alright, so mission selection. Server set to pre-stage. Pre-mission. Server set to pre-stage. Why weren't we set to pre-stage? Let's go back. Oh, it took us into pre-stage. Alright, that's good. If we hit start, what happens? It should be score 1 goal and then we win. That looks weird. Alright. The game state is in stage. Closing, pre-stage screen. What is the... Now this guy is 5 goals right now. So 5 goals. And we've got a little while to do it. Let's see if we can do it. Score set to 4. Post stage. Stage is over. Victory. Server set to post stage. Continue. Post mission. Let's go back, which takes us to pre-mission. So we can hit start mission. Mission loading. Pre-stage and start. Alright, it looks like it's working. So we got our mission actually did work. The issue that we got right now is I'm actually gonna change my project settings here to maps and modes. This should be LV UI to load up. And let's actually load up LV UI to start with as well. So we need to go to the mission selection screen, and we're going to be doing the same thing here with this fetch initial data garbage. Alright, we need to do fetch initial data, and then this check game state needs to be called in our update, and it also needs to be called on our on enter. Alright, so if this is going to be one of these other things, we need to push some screens on there. Here's our enums. So basically what I'm going to be pushing on here is the pre-mission screen. So pre-mission or pre-mission cutscene or loading stage. Not loading stage, that's... Yeah, loading stage too. Pre-stage. Any of these guys, we're basically going to push the pre-mission screen on there. And we'll return. Otherwise, if it's like in-game or something, it's just, it has no meaning. It's lost. That's fine, Civic. I'm not doing much other than exactly that. Alright, so this should boot up. Should be able to do a single player, start mission. Actually, let's... Why did it close itself? Ah, yes, because of that. Because of that. Alright, well, let's take another look at it. Mission loading. It actually went there. So it's going to put up the sunny day. And we can call start mission. Pre-mission. We were already on the pre-mission screen. Alright, so we need to know that basically we loaded into this thing. Like, we'll want to get the mission state. So when we call, like, it's ready to go, it's like we've loaded in and we need to actually start not... Yeah, it's pre-mission, cutscene, and all this sort of stuff. Loading stage. Alright. And update loading stage. Once we do that, we've loaded the stage. We go to pre-stage when we do it, so... Let me think about it. It's basically right here if the current mission is like the editor mission. Otherwise, we want to start in the first stage. Alright, so this guy is We went through pre-stage loading, so it should just be set pre-stage. See how it works? So sync player, start mission. And it started in pre-stage. What in the hell is this? The game state is in stage closing. Okay, here it is. It's pre-mission screen. Alright, so start current stage called. The game state is in stage closing, so the pre-mission thing closed. And the pre-mission screen wasn't on the stack, so it didn't work. So the issue is this mission selection screen is wrong. It needs to, like, we have start clicked. It's supposed to set the current mission UI. And start current mission is not supposed to be called. We just need to set the current mission, and we want to set current mission. It needs to actually advance to the pre-mission screen is what it needs to do. So set to pre-mission, if this is true. So start mission should take us to the pre-mission screen. It should have all the stuff, and then we do start mission. So it's going to load the first stage. And it's got the stage that it wants to start with. So we can hit start, and it's going to freak the hell out. Come on, you can stop. Creating the screen, pre-mission screen. Pre-mission screen is closing itself and then being reopened by the previous screen. So this is the pre-mission screen. And what is this screen that we're going to have for in stage? We're going to create and attach a screen, and that screen is going to be what, the in-game screen? Is that right? Yeah, I think so. So start mission, and then boom, we start loading. So it's going to go to mission loading screen, which is then going to go to the pre-stage screen, which we are on. We hit start. It starts. It's the in-game screen. So it's 3. I'm getting crap frame rate because I've got like the game running in the background as well as the game running in the foreground, and foliage and whatever on this level. Looks like it's not even, the lighting's not even built properly on this level. Okay, so we enter the post stage screen. Stage is over, victory. Server set to post stage. Alright, let's do continue. User has 1 mission. Alright, so let's go back, which should take us to the pre-mission screen. Let's hit start mission. It should load us in, which it is, and we can start our mission over. Alright, let's export our missions. Let's see. There's an enum property of EBS result context, which is an invalid value of EBS.online. What? So in our mission, flawless victory, we've got enum property of type EBS result context with an invalid value of stat context online. Context is EBS underscore max? How the hell is that? There. Alright, let's go to that training level. I'm also going to build the lighting on this thing. On the grasslands. Alright, so I need to go to my arena level. I want to uncheck the use mission and editor thing. Very good. Let's put up that grasslands sunny day level and let's build the lighting on it and make sure that that's set up properly. So if we hit play, Lighting needs to be rebuilt. Let's do our build on it. Alright, well, we'll build that lighting. Is this just a standard game? Vanilla? Come on, lighting. You can build. You can do your thing. Why are you at 0? Why are you at 0% lighting? You trying to do something? Alright, it's at 1%. Yeah, I'm getting a lot better at scoring goals on this map, especially with that kick hit. It's just massive difference in precision. So you can get that rebound, then that, and then that slotted in. And you can do it fast too. What is with this lighting for this grasslands map? I mean, what the hell changed here? Is it that we added a whole bunch of like foliage stuff and there's no grass up in the starting zone? And also, I'm concerned as to what the hell is going on with this thing. Did the level size get massive or something? Oh, Sunny Day is still small. It's still Forest Day with all the built data that's really big. It looks like we're getting lighting warnings. Flavor, whoa. Show the message log. Invalid draw scale. Well, is at least the lighting warning fixed? Looks like it. If we go to another map and come back, does the lighting warning go away? Yeah, it does. Alright, good. Let's go back to that UI level then. And let's take a look at it. Hello, Lucas. What am I doing today in stream? I have been working on the mission system, so well, I've got it to the point right now where I can actually what was that? What was that? Why did... Anyway, I've got it so you can go to single player, we can go to start mission, it takes us to the pre-mission screen, and we click on start the actual mission. That was the mission selection screen, and I clicked on a mission, which took me to the pre-mission thing, which I clicked yes, start the mission. It took me into a stage. This stage has this specific map. I can hit start. It starts the mission. This mission is to score 1 goal, or in 30 seconds, or you lose. So let's go ahead and win the mission. Alright, it took me to the post-stage mission, and it's saying... stage is over, victory, server is set to post-stage. So you're like, okay, cool, continue. Which takes me to the post-mission screen, which says, on continue mission clicked, user has 1 mission, server set post-mission. So I can then retry this, or back button does jack shit. Oh, the back button takes me back to the UI level. Alright, so the back button, alright, does that. Alright, I need to pop up the load, a loading screen. On that guy then. Anyway, so we can actually, you know, play a mission. And the UI for the missions and like stopping a mission and like what your status is, that's not done at all, but that's okay. We've got the information. Let's see, can I retry the mission? It should load it up, go to pre-stage, pop us over in here. Alright, so I need to fix that post-mission screen, because what we're doing is when the back button, back is clicked on this guy, I need a loading dialog. Alright, so I need to loading. And then I'm basically going to have to do if this loading dialog does not equal null. So basically, on our exit, we want to do the same thing. So if our loading dialog is not there, we do this. And we need to do the same thing. I think it was on pre-mission that we overrode this thing. Yeah. So you need to go to on exit and fix this up. Alright, so let's go put that up and make sure it works. So, single player, start mission, pre-mission, start the mission. Start the stage. Score the goal. Post stage, continue. Let's go back. So it's going to do loading and set us to right-click, resetting mission data, server set to pre-mission. Creating loading dialog, resetting mission data, resetting stage data, server set to pre-mission. I mean, it really should be that we just go back to... Yeah, it should just be that this dot request close, shouldn't it? In the post mission screen is... Yeah. I guess that on exit didn't work. Let's try that again. We also need to set a viewpoint. How do we set viewpoints in this thing? The viewpoint is set inside of... somewhere. Here we are. So we have mission selection. I actually should open up. I should just copy these guys here. Alright, so that should give us all the different viewpoints that we need set properly. Alright, so if we do back, it goes back to the pre-mission screen. We hit back again. Alright, the thing is with pre-mission screen, we need to do go to main menu UI. That's fine. If we are already in the main menu, how do we get the current level? Empty level. Screens. Yeah, okay, so if we're already in the empty level, close our UI screen. That'll take us back to the mission selection screen. Otherwise, go to the main menu and keep the loading dialog up. So on our update, we want to check if the dialog is empty. Yeah, so if our dialog does not equal null, then we want to know if we are in the empty level. If we are in the empty level, then we want to request close. And we also want to make sure that we take care of our loading dialog here. So, single player, start mission, start mission. So we're ready to do our stage. Let's hit back. It'll take us to the pre-mission, and we hit back again, and we get an error. And it's gameplay? Yeah. That should fix it. I had a typo. I was doing this instead of gameplay. So start mission, load into it. Let's go back, take us to the pre-mission screen back again, and again I screwed up my stuff. So let's go back out into the UI level, which takes us right back to here. Alright, so we can actually now play missions through the UI and throughout the entire game. We don't have the UI for the missions, but it works. So I can start the mission, and I'm in a stage of the mission, and I can do the thing, like horribly miss scoring goals. And I can win this. I can retry the mission, which will take me back to the stage that I should be on. What a punch. I can quit the mission, which takes me to pre-mission, and if I hit back, it'll take me out. Just run it through everything because I'm probably done for the day here in just a second. Here in not too long. So I want to run through it, make sure it's not all screwed up. We can start. Nice. So we can continue. We can retry the mission. Load up the first stage. Just. Oh, okay. So, and then if we go back here, that'll take us. This is the post-mission screen. It says we're back-clicked. Alright, what is this post-mission doing for us? We did back-clicked. Alright. Back-clicked is just calling request close. Well, that's not going to work. We need to end current mission, right? Alright, so end mission, end current mission UI, which should do what we want. I wonder if I just refresh the UI right here, what happens? Ah, it goes into post mission. Excellent. So hit back, goes to pre-mission, hit back again, and we're out. Okay, so if I go to multiplayer, create a game, and I just start a Metacrest game, does it actually work? Did we break everything else? Nope, looks like everything else works just fine. And what I can do with this mission is